Hello guys, welcome back to CATIA Flattening. Today I will show you how to create a cat part for a harness. Cat parts are used to be visualized in another software like IBT or Bismarck because the size of the cat parts are very less compared to a harness with all the components. And I think I found the fix to can create the flatten, because a lot of you guys tell me you have some errors when you try to flatten the harness. And so I create another model. This is our previous model, the one that I was working on the previous video, and this is the new model. As you can see, I have just one splice and the flag markers are different. I mean the slips, sorry. And I will show you how to create the cat part for this. So the first thing you need to do is go to Assemble Design Workbench. After that, select your harness. I separate the harness and the hard parts because we just need the harness to be flattened and to create the cat part. So we're going to Tools. You can see here, Generate Cat Part from Product. You can give a name for your cat part and merge all bodies, or you can select or unselect. I like to select. Just press OK, and it's going to create a new product with the cat part, as you can see here. But you can see here now have more properties. So I use the cat parts to compare previous models with the newest models, because with change notice sometimes you need to change the root or flag markers or slips or splices. And the only bad thing that splices you cannot see it here. So I'm gonna change the color for cat part. Let me copy first. I'm gonna compare with the new harness that we create here. I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna change the color. With this you can see the difference. You can see the root change a little. You can see the slip was here, now it's here. The same for this one. So to create cat parts are very useful to compare models. Okay, so I'm gonna hide it. So that's the way to create a cat part and compare harness. And okay, now I wanna show you how to create the flatten for this harness. So we're going to create a new product. I'm gonna call it wire harness flat. Okay. First thing you need to do is go to your flattening workbench, get flatten properties. You have a lot of options here. Just press OK. Now you have the properties here. After that, you need to use the extract command. So select the command, go to Windows, change to your assemble. I'm gonna use first this one to see the error that you have. You got this error to extract command, and I think before to extract the other one, well, let me extract the other one. If we go to the new harness, you click harness, press OK. Now you have your harness as EHF, and is ready to get flattened. Okay, how do I fix this? And the thing that I do, as you can see, I think I'm not very sure, I'm not an expert on this, but I'm thinking it's because I create bundles instead of multi-branchables. So the thing that I do is I delete all the harness again and create a new one, but we use multiple branchables. And I just have one branchable for each multi-branchable. So that's the way that I do to fix the error. So try to do it, guys. If you want the new product, just let me know and I'm glad to help you. And thanks for watching, and in the next video I'm gonna start to flatten this harness. Alright? Thank you very much.